Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. I was so excited to use this NZXT H510 Elite mid-tower PC case when I did my very first PC build. I really love the design of this case. I love that it has this gorgeous matte white steel, and the front and side tempered glass panels are so beautiful. I really appreciated that in my first build, these panels were so easy to remove, and that it has such great cable management in the back of this case. It has a movable bar on the inside that you can adjust for your cable management as well. It has a bunch of removable dust filters throughout the case. It has the gorgeous power button that glows white while the PC is running. It comes with USB and USB-C and also a headphone jack up there. I really appreciate the smart device that helps you run all of the RGB. I really love playing around with all the different lighting in my case, so I really appreciated having this option. This case from NZXT is such high quality. I really enjoyed being able to do my first build with it. I think it is such a great value, and that is my point of view.